Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel where you can find videos that will make math more fun and easy for you to become winner in numbers, winner in life. Hi! Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ROWEL, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. If you have been to my channel before, welcome back. And if it is your first time to visit my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button found below and don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new video. And if you think that the content of my YouTube channel is worth sharing with others, kindly share it with them and don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section found below. Gracias! In this video, I'm going to show how to perform the PEMDAS. What does PEMDAS mean? PEMDAS is an acronym which stands for P parenthesis, E exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S for subtraction. PEMDAS tells us what to calculate first, second, third, and so on until the calculation is complete if the equation consists of more than two operations and or grouping symbols. So let us have some examples in which we are going to use the PEMDAS rule. We have here example number 1. 20 minus 15 plus 25 divided by 5 times 4 is equal to n. Based on the PEMDAS rule, we have to read the equation from left to right. And then we have to identify first if the equation consists of parentheses or groupings. And then after that, we have to identify also if the equation consists of exponents. Since our example number 1, there are no groupings or parentheses and exponents, then we have to proceed to multiplication and division. So from left to right, we can see that division comes first before multiplication. So therefore, we have to divide first and then multiply. So in this case, we have to divide 25 divided by 5 to give us 5. After that, before we will subtract and add, we have to multiply first. 5 times 4 to give us 20. After that, from left to right, we can already subtract since subtraction comes first before addition. So 20 minus 15 will give us 5 plus 20 will give us 25. So therefore, the value of n is 25 following the PEMDAS rule. Now let's proceed to example number 2. So from left to right, we can see from the equation, we have here 10 raised to the power of 2 minus the quantity of 50 divided by 5 plus 4 times 5 equals n. So following the PEMDAS rule, we have to identify first if there are groupings or parentheses. So in this case, we have a parenthesis here. So therefore, we have to start from this parenthesis. So before we will multiply, we can divide first since division comes first than multiplication. So 50 divided by 5 will give us 10, then plus. We can also multiply 4 times 5 to give us 20. And then finally, we can add the 10 and 20. 10 plus 20 will give us 30. After that, we have to do the exponent. 10 raised to the power of 2 is just simply equivalent to 10 times 10. And 10 times 10 will give us 100. And then minus 30 will give us 70. So therefore, the value of n for number 2 is 70. Now let's proceed to sample number 3. From left to right, we can see here the quantity of 6 divided by 3 plus 15 divided by 5 raised to the power of 3. So we have to perform first the operations inside the parentheses. So in this case, we have to divide 6 divided by 3, which is equivalent to 2, plus the quotient of 15 and 5. 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. And then the sum of 2 and 3 will be raised to the power of 3. So 2 plus 3 will give us 5. So raised to the power of 3. 5 raised to the power of 3 is just simply equivalent to 5 times 5 times 5. Or the 5 is being multiplied to itself 3 times to give us 125. So therefore, the value of n is 125. Now let's go to number 4. From left to right, there are no groupings or parentheses. We have to begin with the exponent since we have an exponent here. So 3 raised to the power of 2 is just simply 3 times 3, which is equivalent to 9. Now, from left to right, since division comes first here, so we have to divide. 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. And then 40 divided by 8 will give us 5. Next, we have to do the multiplication. Since multiplication will be performed first than addition and subtraction, even if multiplication comes last in the equation. So 5 times 9 will give us 45. 12 minus 5 will give us 7 plus 45 will give us 52. So therefore, the value of n for number 4 is 52. Now let's proceed to number 5 example. Our example number 5, we have groupings inside the grouping, or what we call a group within a group. In this case, our technique here is to do from the inside out technique. So we have to start from the inside. So in this case, so we have to do it here first. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2 raised to the power of 2, plus here 10 divided by 5 will give us also 2 raised to the power of 3. And then we have raised to the power of 2. After that, we have to do this exponent inside this parenthesis. 2 raised to the power of 2, that is equivalent to 2 times 2 to give us 4. Plus, this 2 raised to the power of 3 means that we have to multiply this 2 to itself 3 times. 2 times 2 is equal to 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And then both of these numbers will be raised to the power of 2. So 4 plus 8 will give us 12 raised to the power of 2. And 12 raised to the power of 2 is just simply 12 times 12 to give us 144. So meaning to say that the value of n for number 5 is 144. So there you have it, how to perform the PEMDAS rule, or how to solve equation involving series of operations and with groupings. So I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.